Let's consider how to choose the front view of an object to draw. In the multi-view drawing, the front view is arguably the most important view. There is no drawing without a front view. Once the front view and its orientation is decided, all other views are automatically determined. The choice of the front view often decides the quality of the drawing. A poor choice of front view may result in a poor drawing. Before sketching a drawing, you need to decide a good front view. There are a few guidelines for choosing the front view. Because the front view is the center of the drawing, the most descriptive view of an object is chosen as a front view. So which view is the most descriptive view? It has often come down to a subjective matter. A rule of thumb is that the front view should show most of the shape features of the object. Sometimes one can see the overall shape of the object by just looking at the front view alone. In this example, if you see the view C only, without looking at anything else, you will not be able to see what the shape of the object is. If you see the view B, however, you can quickly capture the overall shape of the object. So in this case, the view B will be a better choice than the view C. Although all hidden lines are shown in engineering drawings, they are shown in hidden lines and hard to recognize the detailed shapes. So it is best if the number of hidden lines is minimized. In this example, on the right figure marked as C, the right side view has many hidden lines. By simply flipping the front view, the hidden lines are reduced. Not just the number of hidden lines on the front view, all other views should be considered because the front view determines the orientation of all other views. If an object has a natural orientation, such as the table in the figure, it'll be easier that the views are in the familiar orientation. In this example of a desk, views on the B drawing look more natural while C drawing is not. This guideline is one of those that most students miss. When an object is long or wide, and a choice of a front view leads to a tall top view, the view needs to be smaller to fit the views in the drawing paper. This is because most of the engineering drawings use the landscape mode such that the width is larger than the height. In this example, the views fit the B drawing shown on the left figure, while the drawing on the right labeled C wastes a lot of space and the views are smaller. There's no strict rule which views should be used other than you must have a front view. You may use the left view instead of the right view of an object. But if both views describe the object's geometry equally well, the right side view is preferred. Similarly, top view is preferred to the bottom view if both views are similar.